know me, Officer Tenpenny. Where to, Smoke?
Unity Station.
What we looking for, Smoke?
Some Vargas cats meeting some San Fiero. Follow that train! Get me close, CJ! I'm about to pop these fools! Roll up on them, CJ, so I can get a shot! Oh, fuck! Oh, oncoming train! Take the high road on the right, CJ! Look the fuck out, CJ, the train! Move this shit, man! I'ma ice these fools, man! Hey, let's get out of here before the cops show, man.
Was it always like this?
Was what always like this?
Always fucked up around here? Or is it because of the drugs?
What you think, man?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking you.
Yo, hey, don't ask a wise man, Frank. Ask a fool.
That's what I was doing.
Well, if you gonna make this thing personal, I ain't speaking on it no more.
Oh, he ain't trying to be a role model, but y'all know we got love for Eazy-E. Of course, doing it with Dr. Dre, that right there is easier said than done. From the album Easy Does It, hottest thing on the streets when it came out, and still, because I'm still banging it, man, of course.
What's cracking, y'all? This is Be Real, the Buddha Master from Cypress Hill, blazing it in the cut with my man Julio G. 24/7 420 Radio Los Santos.
The 25 that locked for the murder. Was it worth it out? Maybe it's the youth that make me young. It's going out to all the niggas.
Radio Los Santos is Julio G. I'm gonna tell you something else I'm hearing off the street. Grove Street family, they're on their way back up in a big way. They took over the whole neighborhood. Now they're cleaning the whole shit up. They ain't playing, man. I'm really glad to hear that. Keep that shit off my street. That's what I want to say.
Hey, you better clear out, CJ. I don't want those crash fools trying to pull you into some shit.
All right, homie. You be careful with those cats. I'ma see you later.